A sparkling name in the field of the Middle Eastern poultry, the largest poultry company in the Middle East, occupying about 232 square kilometers in the province of Al-Qasim, is Watania Poultry project.
حبينا نزور العالم نشوف نتعلم منهم لعلنا أن نطلع في معلومة جيدة، معلومة كيف نصل إلى علم الدواجن بشكل أمين وصادق.
He considered this idea and applied it by the rules of our holy religion, Islam. It is a unique project across the Middle East, where it has more than 4,800 workers and employees and a total of 3 billion Saudi riyals of investment. Today, Watania Poultry is a hallmark of our national economy and an example for the generous care of the kingdom to the private sector. And it succeeded to achieve the food security and self-sufficiency to this generous country. To achieve its mission, Watania Poultry uses the modern and advanced world-class technology for poultry production in order to maintain the product standards and poultry health. Watania Poultry is one of the largest integrated poultry projects in the Middle East, specialized in producing whole chickens, chicken cuts, and fresh eggs. Production process starts by receiving chicks from international nursery companies by breeding it under a controlled environment for enriched egg production with high quality and ready to hatch. The breeding and production process is done in 44 farms with a total area of 250 stockades, with a total capacity of 1.5 million chickens, in addition to more than 650,000 fertilized eggs per day. To maintain the health and productivity of the parents, it is considered to keep them in an isolated and safe place from the rest of the production process. Exit and entry to the facilities is strictly controlled by surveillance systems and transport vehicles. Maintenance teams and special services are allocated to prevent the infection of pathogens. The highest rates of production are obtained through providing suitable atmosphere for the healthy growth and proper nutrition. Then, the ready-to-hatch eggs is received from the parents and incubation in machines of incubation and hatching. To get chicks of high quality, and then be vaccinated with special vaccines. These processes are done in 4 efficient hatchers, then sent to the slaughtering farms. The next step is receiving the 1-day-old chicks from hatcheries and breeding it and taking care of it until it reaches the slaughtering stages in a controlled environmental condition, with a production capacity about 240 million chickens per year. There are 3 slaughtering houses with a capacity of 45,000 chickens per hour and a total of 550,000 birds per day. There is a different function for the production units using different recipes and spices according to local and international standards. There are more than 62 different nutritious values added to the fresh and frozen chickens, which reach a 50-ton chicken per day with a maximum capacity of 60 tons per day. Thus, it reaches the consumers with delicious taste and high standards. Also producing eggs products have a separate unit to do it. The first day they receive the chicks from local suppliers which breed using advanced technology till the production of table eggs. Then the process of eggs grading and filling is done according to international standards. Watania Poultry has 2 breeding farms by 12 stockades and 2 farms for production at a rate of 36 stockades produced daily, more than 1 million table eggs. The eggs are collected and packed automatically, thus preventing exposure to contamination. Since the importance of producing feed, which count for about 65,000 of the costs of poultry production industry in general, Watania Poultry decided to install feed meal, which produces different types of feed according to different age and stages of the chickens in a required standard. The feed is produced in 4 factories with a capacity of 42,000 tons per month by using the most advanced technology and a lab to measure the quality, and fleet of trucks transporting the feed to the production sites in a highly hygienic, controlled process. Watania Poultry gives its utmost attention to the chicken's health care in all the stages of the production. Also, it makes medical surveys in addition to testing the immunity and health of all herds to identify any possible infection which can be of dangerous effect to the production. Now it is the final stage where we store it in a suitable condition, consisting of appropriate temperatures of the products, then it is delivered to the users. The poultry project has a self-powered generating electric supply network and private stations with high efficiency, which reach to 10 stages, servicing 97 megawatts of power, in addition to general maintenance departments, central workshop, and a fleet for heavy-duty equipment and technical support. Watania Poultry focuses on getting rid of the waste resulting from accumulated production process daily. Therefore, different projects have been established as follows. The project of processing waste resulting from the slaughter and processing. The project to get rid of the gases resulting from the treatment of waste. The project of processing water, and the project of processing the manure, along with the project of waste disposal. Watania Poultry owns more than 1,000-strong fleet of trucks equipped with the latest cooling machinery to maintain the integrity of the products while they are transported and delivered all over the kingdom and Gulf countries. Thanks to God, then, the professional work and commitment to the international and global standards, Watania Poultry has secured the largest marketing share by achieving customer satisfaction.
الخطة المقبلة إن شاء الله سوف نصل إلى 840 ألف دجاجة في اليوم إن شاء الله في خلال نهاية عام 2012 يكون وصل إلى هذا الرقم هذا، ونتوقع إن شاء الله إنه في عام 2000 ما بين 2013 و 2014 إن نوصل إن شاء الله إلى 1,500,000 دجاجة، بل يمكن يصل أكثر من هذا.
Watania Poultry always focuses on standards and works to get these standards from its sources. The leadership of the organization, Sheikh Sulaiman bin Abdulaziz al-Rajhi and Dr. Mohammed bin Sulaiman al-Rajhi, as Chief Executive Officer, played a role model for all the employees and staff in the compliance and a commitment by applying the values of the institution at all times, which leads to daily values and the way of life. The training program contributes to making Watania the first consumer's choice worldwide. We at Watania make the qualified and capable staff to achieve this vision. According to the deliberate studies and plans, the distinguished training courses are one of them, which covers employees' training needs. It also provides a library containing a large number of books, newspapers, magazines, especially in the field of poultry, contributing a lot in the development of our employees and staff. Today, Watania Poultry is one of the largest pillars of the national economy that achieves the food security of the country and the citizens. It has received many honors and certificates in recognition of their support, as well as Sheikh Sulaiman al-Rajhi, who gained the King Abdulaziz Award. Finally, Watania tries to be up to date by participating in the international exhibition and ceremonies and adding some new modern products to its production line.